Right, next bit. So on the cake itself now, we need to actually have some control so that when an ant touches it, it's going to take one life away from the cake. So if we open the editor on cake, now this is again very, very similar to what happens if the foot touched the ant. So we need to use this get one intersecting object business. So let's look at how we did it on ant. Remember, in ant, we had to do a couple of things. We were referring to creating an actor. Remember, actor is one of our subclasses. So I called it squish, which is the name of the foot. And then we have get one intersecting object of the foot class. So when the foot touched it, it called the foot squish, because there may have been more than one foot. It doesn't know we only had one. Well, there is going to be more than one ant, so we are now going to use the get one intersecting object of, but we're going to use the ant class. We're also going to have to do it with the red ant class as well, because we've actually got two classes there. And there is a way of actually changing that later on, which I will explain. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to deal with the ant class for the moment. We'll leave the red ants, we'll assume they're not interested in cake. So back into our cake. Inside here now, actor, so we're referring to the library. Now we've got to give this ant a name. Dinner time. So the ant that touches the cake is having dinner time. Yep. Now if we look, what we're then doing is we're doing in equals, so we're going to make that ant equal to. And now we've got to get that intersecting object. Remember, that's a capital O, not a 0. And that's going to be ant.class. Well, to check for no errors. No errors, fantastic. So that's the first thing you need to do. Away you go.